Gorgeous, welcome and welcome back to the channel. It is your girl Tamika. She is Tamika and Tamika is she. Hey, she is Tamika and Tamika is she. Hey, she is Tamika and Tamika is me. Hello gorgeous. Alright, welcome to the grocery haul. Alright, I got my G-Wagon down here. Wait, hold on, get focused. I ain't got time for this nonsense. My G-Wagon is on the floor. Y'all can't really see it, but it's right here. My little G-Wagon. Right there. Cute little grocery haul. Alright, so let's go ahead and get busy because I have a lot of things to do. It is Thursday and I just ordered my groceries. That's what we do around here. Alright, but what we don't do is order like salads and stuff like that. I like to pick mine out. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So this is a mixture of the family and myself, but most importantly, some of this is for me, okay? But my daughter did have a little hand at, you know, grabbing a few little things, well, wanting a few little things, and so did my husband. So we got some grits, okay? We got some rice bacon. This is thebomb.com. Got my daughter some cinnamon toast crunch. I should have got a bigger size. The family size is not enough. She needs mega, 2 megas. Since she's a big cereal eater, I just decided to get a whole gallon instead of a half a gallon. Why waste my time and patience? I went ahead and ordered some dark coffee. I like mine dark because when I make mine in the Keurig, it always tastes watery and bland. So I just go ahead and get the dark. I love my Bustelo and my La whatever, the green one. I love that one. My youngest daughter, when I say my daughter, I'm talking about my youngest daughter, but she likes apple juice, okay? I might be getting a swig of this because constipation has been a little bit real, but I am on a big fiber kick going forward, you know? So your girl has to get that fiber in. I did get some Joe's pita bread. This one has 2 grams of fiber. And this has flax, oat bran, and whole wheat. So this only has 9 grams of carbs. For 1 piece is 60 grams. So this is good like for making pizzas. When I used to do keto, low carb, I would have this as well with the missions. But yeah, pizzas, tacos, whatever I want. The youngin wants these flaming hot Cheetos. Can you believe that since starting the GLP-1, I would say my 2nd round, so on Zepbound, I had stopped eating stuff like this. Cheetos, cookies, all of that. I had to get my almond butter. I did see in Walmart when I went the other day, I don't know why I didn't just go grocery shopping, but anywho, they had cashew. And I want to try the cashew, but I just decided to go ahead and get thumbnail. I got some more apples. I like to have these apples, especially right before I work out. Right before I work out, I like to have like some type of carb. So, ooh, I forgot to get rice cakes because I can add peanut butter with banana, but I got to get banana and I got to get rice cakes. But I like these. Plus, these are good with fiber. And like I said, I've been on a fiber kick lately, trying to eat more whole foods and less processed foods, but I'll make another separate video about that. I got some pico de gallo because we're making fish tonight. Got some shredded lettuce. Got some cilantro. Okay. Oh, this chicken breast ain't big enough. I got some Tyson's chicken breast. Let me tell you something. My family ate up my meal prep Monday. I made chicken breast in a pot and I shredded it up. I should have a picture somewhere. And I was like, oh my God, this is going to be good. Like, I'm going to be good this week on my protein. How about they ate the whole pot? I did get some, like 2 servings out of that, but that was supposed to be enough to last me the whole entire week. They won't let me be great. Got some shredded cheese. Did I tell you I was making fish? I got me some berries. This whole entire month, I'm telling you, making smoothies has been like my go-to every day to help get the protein in, and then the rest I try to get from food. Because my tummy does not like a whole lot of alcohol, sugars, or a lot of processed stuff. And if you know, well, I ain't said it yet, but anyway. I got her some tortillas, pizza rolls. This is another thing I used to eat all the time, especially when I was on Wegovy and before GLP-1. I would be eating these type of foods. Like the foods I'm showing you is what, I mean, for her is what I would eat. I would be eating the cereals, all of that. So of course we got the tilapia. So I picked up the tilapia here. This is 20 grams of protein. Okay. We almost done. I got some raw shrimp. Now I gotta hide this because they will eat this. Especially my husband, being that it's raw. He will have that. He will cook it, fry it up. Got some oil for the fish. Got my light Italian dressing. I just need to get some dressing. I mean, some more salad. And got my favorite sauce that I like to put on my rice, my meats, is the General Tosa sauce. I like this one better. Take a screenshot right now. I love that. So here are my few processed but less expensive. It's not really good protein, but I got it because, hey, at this point, I do what I gotta do. That's in my budget. So I got this protein. This is the Kellogg's. It has 12 grams of protein. This is not good protein because of the fact that it's 180 calories. And if you take away the 0, it's 18. So if the protein on the box is lower than the 2-digit calorie, then it's not good protein. But I got it anyway because I like it. Because I'm trying to get some fiber in, I did decide to go ahead and pick up something that is chocolate and has fiber. This used to be a go-to way before I did GLP-1. But I got the fiber. Now I take it, I buy it because I need the fiber versus me buying it because it's just 70 calories. No, that's not what I'm doing. Hold on. I got some wheat bread. I like sourdough and I like wheat bread. So when one ends, I just swap and go to the next one. And of course, I got that because of the fiber. Got London some Gatorade. We got eggs. You know what eggs look like. And I got my husband's favorite. Did I not get the juice? Oh, snap. I'm glad I got this. I got my husband some Milo tea. He doesn't even know I bought it. But see, I was thinking. Alright? So, as you can tell, some of the stuff that I got was a lot of, you know, good source of protein and some low glycemic foods. Okay? I got that because for some reason my body likes to process food very quickly. especially if I am eating simple carbs. I am on a body recomp, and I have been eating in a calorie surplus, which is good for me. I will give you those stats soon because I have such good numbers to report to you about how my body has been reacting to me increasing my calories and doing strength training. I have built muscle, and I have increased my my metabolism, so my BMR. My fat percentage did go up a little, but not so much, and my weight did go up, but all of that is not just scale weight. It was the percentage of the fat gain, percentage of the muscle gain, my water, that's in there too. So it's like so many other factors. So I'm really proud of myself and should pat myself on the back. And by implementing all of these challenges that we have been doing, your girl's tummy has been, you know, feeling a little hungry. You know, there's a lot of activity going on, so much is given, much is required. So I want to make sure that I have enough food to support and fuel my body so I can do my workouts effectively, and not to be so heavily focused on just eating whatever type of foods and carbs. I fell into that trap. Excuse me. My numbers were a little bit down in my glucose a little bit, but girl, I ended up eating 270 carbs. So I woke up this morning with my hands swollen, and I was like, this can't happen, you know? So I was like, what is going on with me? So I was like, what is going on? I should be telling this story right now. So I was like, what is going on with me? So I was like, okay, cool. I'm going to lower my carb intake, but I'm going to still keep my calories up. So that would be a whole separate video. Only got 2 minutes left on this SD card. So yeah, your girl is up here building muscle, shaping up her body, and I can guarantee you the way I look, you can never guess how much I weigh, because I don't look like I weigh that much. Stay tuned for the video. If you made it this far, drop a comment down below and let me know. Would you like to see my numbers? You know, how much I weigh, how much fat I lost, all of that. Let your girl know in the comment section below. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and also subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Thank you for joining me. Goodbye, gorgeous.